Alright, welcome back to my channel, Alland Vlog. So today, I will be doing an unboxing of the watch which I bought just today. So yeah, this is the SPB297, or which is a Glacier model of the 62 mass reinterpretation line of Seiko watch. So yeah, just a little background of this watch. I originally want to purchase the SPB143, which is the black one, and then which is the classic color. But I did realize that I have most of my watch, my SARG 009, my SARG 033, and as well as the one I'm wearing today is also black. So I decided to buy instead the newly released of the 62 mass lineup, which is now the SPB297. And this watch was released along with two other models. I'm not exactly familiar with these two models, but I believe the other one is PB299, and somehow it's like or similar to the Marine Master, but of course it's a redesigned one. And then the other one is the white one. But yeah, anyway, so what we'll be reviewing today, and uh, the unboxing, the performing of unboxing, is the SPB297. So yep, so here's now the box, and you may notice that I also have a caliper here because we want to measure this later to see the specifications on hand. I mean, real time. And yeah, so let's open this box. But before that, guys, as I mentioned a while ago, I'm wearing a Seiko turtle. The color of this one variation is popularly known as Pepsi. That's why you're seeing a dark blue and red hue. All right. So let us now open this box. So upon opening, what you'll be seeing first are, of course, the manuals, and it has two manuals, I believe. So yep. So these are the manuals, and these are particularly which one? Oh, so this is a worldwide guarantee and instructions. Ah, yeah. So here you can find the card or the warranty card that came along with the watch. So here you can see this is the Seiko, yeah, official guarantee. So I bought this one today. Sorry for that. So yep, September 14. This is the serial number. All right, and then this is the 6R35 manual of the movement. So this watch now comes with 6R35 um, movement, and yep, let us put this set aside those manuals, and yeah, and as well as this box, I'll have to put this here. And all right, so this is now the box itself. Nothing too fancy, or there's nothing so much special with this box, but one thing I noticed, this is quite different from the other Seikos, no? Because normally the boxes are just pretty normal, made of the material is not that similar. Here it's kind of medium, or a small, I mean, amount of premium on it, but yeah, nothing so special again. So basically the box is black in color, and then you may notice that there's some blue, probably because yeah, this is Glacier lineup of watches. All right, so when you open the box, you may see first his this one, this prospects, because this is a lineup of prospects now. And you may also notice the Save the Ocean. I believe the Seiko partner with NGO, and they are helping this particular NGO in saving the ocean programs. And I believe that some of the proceeds, if I'm not mistaken, when you purchase this watch, is basically you are also donating to that particular project of Seiko, which is quite good for the environment, right? Okay. Okay, so here is the watch itself. So let us just remove it from this small soft pillow, as you may call it. And then what you may see here is the hang tag, of course. Let us check this hang tag. So the hang tag itself says that the model is SPB297 J1. So the J1 represents that is made in Japan, I believe so. And yeah, and to open the watch itself, or to retract, or to open the clasps, there's a okay, you just have to pull it this lock here, and then there's a double button, push button, to open it completely. Okay, so I'm not able to open this completely because of this hang tag, but yeah. So here's the watch itself. You may also notice that it's not that so clear because it still has plastic in it. I think yeah, it is wrapped with the plastic. You may also notice, yeah, this is a plastic steel. I will remove that later after this review. Okay, so going back to the watch. So what you may see here now is it's blue. I think this is darker compared to the SPB299, if I'm not mistaken, 299. The other model that comes with this group of watch which they have recently released. No, as I mentioned again, there are 3 watches on that release, and this one is belong to that release. So there are 3 models at that time when it was released, and yeah. So what you can see here is it's an automatic, of course, and then it has a 200 meters water resistant, and okay, the caliber here of this watch is 6R35, and then I believe this is also automatic, of course, with manual winding, and it has a precision of, say, what I remember in the specifications, 25 to 15 seconds per day. And then if you fully wound this watch, it will last you until 70 hours of power reserve. It has a 24 jewels, I believe. And then yeah, for the materials, a specification of this is it is a stainless steel, and what I remember, it has a super hard coating, and then it has a sapphire crystal, which is slightly dome, as you may notice here, is slightly dome sapphire crystal, and it has a anti-reflective coating on the inner surface, and the luminous, or the Lumi Bright, which is proprietary of Seiko, Lumi Bright. So you may notice that all on the indices, which are all applied, and there's a quite large amount, no, of luminous, or the Lumi Bright, and as well as with the seconds, and the hour and minutes hand. Okay. Alright, so this is the watch, and on the back case, of course, most of the divers are not see-through, and it only has this standard medallion of Seiko divers, and this is also comes with an screw down for added water resistant. So this is a screw down crown. And what else? Oh, what one thing that I noticed, and I also not that so disappointed, but yeah, the Seiko could have done it better if they have install a crown which is signed, right? Because this is quite a plain crown. There's not even a letter S on it, which you can find with other line of watches like Presage, and yeah, even in my Sarb, as well as with Sarg. But maybe they have this, they have their own. I mean, they have reasons on why. Okay, so yeah, let us now at least measure the watch to see the specifications and dimensions. So I'm gonna turn on my digital caliper. So let us check if this is indeed really a 40. Yeah, this the diameter of this watch is 40.7 millimeter, and then the lug width I believe is 20. Let's see. Yeah, exactly, it's 20 the lug width, and then let us measure the wingspan or the lug to lug width or length. So it's around 46.2, and let us now measure as well as the thickness or the depth of this watch. So it has a 14.1 thickness, 14.1 in thickness, and then 46 lug to lug width, and then 40 in diameter, and the bracelet or the lug size is 20. Let's see if it is tapered on the, yeah, so it's 20 here, and then tapered to 18. Oh yeah, 18 on the end links, the end of the bracelet going to the deployment, right? So that is basically the dimensions of this watch, and I'm quite excited already to use this as a daily use or for daily driver watch. This is now my favorite watch, shall I say, and then I could probably use this as well um, in swimming in the beach, probably in the coming days or weeks or so. So yep, and of course I will still be bringing this diver's watch, which ever reliable diver, which is turtle. So yeah, this is now my new favorite. I'm excited to use this one. So probably I will be reviewing in a month, say 6 months after using this, and then I will show you how it will fare, and I will also share my experience on using this watch. I think that's all for now. And again, thank you so much for watching my vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, I do appreciate if you subscribe and like this video. And yeah, thanks again, and goodbye.